The Oppo Reno 15 actually looks like a flagship, feels like a flagship, but the price is reminding us that this phone is still mid-range. That brings us the question, how good is the Oppo Reno 15 now? Let's find out. First thing first, the Reno 15 is fine, like extremely fine. Slim body, only 8 mm thick, glass front, glass back, aluminum frame, and it even comes with IP68 and 69 rating. That means this phone does not fear water or dust at all. It is only 187 grams, so it feels light but still strong inside. Now the display, Oppo really tried. You are getting a 6.32-inch AMOLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, and a crazy peak brightness of 3600 nits. Even under hot sun, this one cannot embarrass you at all. Like, this is easily one of the brightest displays in its price range. Inside the Oppo Reno 15, we have the Dimensity 8450, which is respectively a 4nm chipset. 4nm chipset in a mid-range device. You got to give that phone respect for that. And for your phone to have 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, a mid-range device for that matter. Also, you having up to 1 terabyte of storage in a mid-range phone. Remember, this is a mid-range, not a flagship at all. Let's talk cameras now, because this is Reno's 15 biggest selling point. On the back, you get 200 megapixel main camera with OIS, a 50 megapixel telephoto with 3.5 times optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide. So now the question is, who is this phone for? Well, if camera and battery life are your top priority, you should go for it. But if not, I guess you should look elsewhere, like on the iPhone or so. So this is what I have to say on the Oppo Reno 15. For more reviews like this, like, share, and subscribe. This is KDN signing out right here.